When you bring a vehicle to Jim Sigel Automotive for maintenance or repairs, it is our goal to advise you on what's recommended by the manufacturer and what we find on our inspections for your vehicle. That way you can make an informed decision on your repairs. So why should you invest in proper vehicle maintenance? To extend the life on your vehicle. Preventative care reduces the wear and tear on your engine and other components to add life and miles to your vehicle. Increased safety and dependability. A reliable vehicle is a must, not just for long trips, but trips to the grocery store too. Reduce repair costs. Routine maintenance doesn't cost much when compared to unexpected breakdown and vehicle repair. For example, replacing a timing belt when due is much less money than repairing an engine after an old timing belt fails, causing additional engine damage. Boost performance. When all systems are functioning properly, you maximize fuel economy, engine performance, braking, and handling. To extend the life of your vehicle. Preventative care reduces the wear and tear on your engine and other components to add life and miles to your vehicle. At Jim Sigel Automotive, you can't go wrong. We use factory-trained technicians, use factory equipment, and factory parts. It's car care from people who really know how to care for your car.